Hi everyone and welcome to Pictory AI review. In this video, I'm going to give you a little bit of a review of my experience on using Pictory AI, and we're going to be creating some video today. So let's go to Pictory AI and start creating our account. If you haven't had your account yet, there's going to be a link in the description box below for you to be able to enjoy free trial, so go ahead and click that link and start creating video with Pictory AI. Now before we start, I'm just going to give you the pricing real quick. So these are the pricing that Pictory AI will offers. We got the starter plan, professional plan, team plan, and you can also create a custom plan for your own if you're going to be using this for your business. And the starter one start with $19 per month. The next one is $39 per month, and then we got $99 per month. And as for the custom one, it's going to be adjustable to what you need. So the price is not fixed because you will have to contact their salesman in order to create the perfect plan for you. So basically here are the things that you'll be able to get. You will get certain amounts of video, and you will get royalty-free video from Storyblok that you can use for your footage. You will get unlimited standard voices in 7 languages for the starter plan one, and you'll be able to create one brand kit. And again, in the description box below, you'll find a link that allows you to enjoy the free trial from Pictory AI. Once you go to Pictory.ai, they're going to ask you on why would you want to use Pictory. So here are some options. Maybe you want to monetize on YouTube. Maybe you want to use it for your company or organization use. Maybe you want to use it for your clients, or maybe you just want it for your personal use. It could be good for you to create your personal branding. Let's say if you're trying to build your page on social media, you can use this kind of video to help you create more content and save a lot of time. So I'm just going to say that I'm creating this one for personal use, and I'm going to go ahead and click start creating with Pictory. And here are some of the things that we can create. We can create scripted video, there's block to video, there's edit video with AI, and then there's visual to video. And I'm not going to be showing you all of the things that we can create here. I'm just going to try one for today, and it's going to be script to video. So with script to video, you'll be able to add prompt on the video that you're trying to create, and Pictory is going to give you the footage, and it's going to make the video and footages based on the prompt that you're entering here. So I'm going to go to ChatGPT to help me create the script. And let's say that I want to create a video about travel journey, let's say to Paris. Alright, so I got my script ready. Now all I have to do is copy the script into Pictory.ai. And this is actually a very raw script for the video, because on ChatGPT I was asking for a video script, and I'm going to see what we will get if we're entering a very, very raw video script instead of something that is more tidied up. So here on the scene setting, you'll be able to edit. Maybe you want to auto highlight keywords, or maybe you want to add it out of visual selection, and you can even create new scene, maybe between sentence break or line break, or maybe even both. So this is a bunch of script that I'm going to try to change into a form of video. So after we enter the script, we're going to go ahead and click on proceed, and let's see what we will get. Now we will just have to wait until Pictory.ai is done with our footage. Alright, so here are the scene that we got from the script that I've just entered. And right off the bat, we will be able to see this notification. It says here that if you see any watermark, we don't have to worry, because the stock visual watermark that we will see here are only present in preview mode. And if you download the video, it will not be included in it. So here is what happened when you inserted a very raw video script, which means that you also have like some description that are not supposed to be inside of the video. Like this one here, it says background music, upbeat, soft, instrumental. So this is supposed to be something that describes the music that we will want to be using inside of a scene that we want to add. And I actually don't want to have the scene inside of my video, so don't worry if you happen to find a scene that you don't really like, or maybe a scene that you feel are not suitable to the video in general. All you have to do is click on the scene you don't like and click on this delete scene, confirm to delete it, and now it's out of your way. So here we got the first footage. I'm just going to show you how it looks like. And what I really like about Pictory is when you insert the script into the box earlier, it's also going to be shown on each scene on where you want that footage to be. So for example, this one here explains about the B-roll shots of Paris skyline, Seine River, people walking on Parisian streets. So you can see that they highlight some important scene that I might want to appear on the video. So we got the Eiffel Tower and we got the Paris skyline, etc., which is really, really nice. It even followed the B-roll shots one, I believe. And now in order to move to the next scene, you can either click on the picture on the video editor here, or you can also click on the text on the left side of your screen. So here we'll be able to find the footage for each description. So you can also see that each footage will have different scene duration, and you can see the duration over here because it's going to depend on the amount of text you put. The longer text you put, the longer the footage is going to be. If you would like to change the duration, you can simply just lessen it if you want, or maybe you can just type in the duration that you want to put on the specific footage, or you can also just apply the exact same duration for all of your scene if you want. Now you can see that we got some text over here. If you don't want to have the text, don't worry, you can always delete the text by clicking on the symbols here. It's still going to preserve the footage. Maybe you want to add another text, or if you want the text to still be there, all you have to do is click on this undo button here, and it's going to bring you the text back. And you can also create some changes for the text. Maybe you want to change the font, which is really, really nice, as well as the font size. You can make it bolder. You can change the alignment of the text. You can change the text colors. You can highlight it if you want, etc. There's a lot of things that you can actually do with Pictory.ai. And once again, I'm going to remind you that if you want to create video like this with Pictory.ai, you can simply click on the description box below. I already inserted a link that you could click, and you can start enjoying your free trial through that link. Now, besides creating scenes like so, you can also add transition in between your scene. So here are some of the transition that we can use. We got wipe up, and it's going to show how the transition looks like. So those are the selections of the transition that you can use, and you can maybe apply the exact same transition throughout the video if you want to, or you can even remove the transition altogether. And you can even add your own voiceover by uploading your own voiceover, or you can record it through Pictory.ai, or you can even add AI voiceover if you want to. So remember that with the plan, the very basic plan, you'll be able to get basic voiceover with 7 languages. So let's try one of them. And we got one here in the name of Abby female.
The only thing to do with good advice is to pass it on.
So that is the example of the audio, and if you'd like to use it, you can simply click generate and apply, and it's going to read the scene that you want this voice to read.
Visuals, B-roll shots of Paris skyline, Eiffel Tower, Seine River, people walking on Parisian streets.
Alright, so that is how it looks like with the AI video inserted. And that is the general idea of how you can create a script to video with Pictory.ai. I think that it's very, very helpful. Once again, if you're trying to create more content in a very short amount of time, Pictory.ai is a way to go. It's going to save you a lot of time, and the footage that they give is really, really related to the script that you inserted. So this is a very good alternative if you need some help creating more content. Once you're done with everything, you can go ahead and download the video, and just like how it says earlier, you don't have to worry about the watermark, because once you download it, the watermark will not show. So once you download your project, you'll be able to see it on your My Project sections here, and you can re-edit it if you want, or you can download it to your device. And that's basically it. Look at how easy it is to create an AI video with Pictory. You only need prompt to create a very interesting video, and you can even edit it even further, add some voices, etc. Once again, if you are interested on trying to create your own AI video, there's a link in the description box below, so go ahead and check on it. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.